What is Prana Yajna? Prana is that Bhagavat Swarupa inside you. First level, Soham Upasana. So or Su means Bhagavanta. Gunapurna Doshadura. Gunapurna Doshadura. Stage 1. 24 breaths. Keshavaya Namaha, Narayanaya Namaha, Madhavaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha. Stage 2. 51 breaths. Ajaya Namaha, Anandaya Namaha. Stage 3. 48 breaths. Vitthala, 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 Vitthala. Welcome to Super Soul Foundation. Discover the divine in you. Super Soul Foundation is a not-for-profit organization, a registered charitable trust in Bangalore, India. The objective is to help every human being, the soul, to connect to its Antaryami, the Super Soul, based on the knowledge simplified from authentic Indian scriptures, the Veda Shastra. You are here and you are about to perform Prana Yajna. Come, let's help you to connect you to your super soul through your breath. What is Prana Yajna? Prana is that Bhagavat Swarupa inside you. That is the very reason that you are alive. Yajna means yajana, worshipping. Being thankful, being in gratitude, being indebted to that Bhagavat Swarupa which is keeping us alive. This is a yajna every human being, whoever is breathing, should perform every day. Prana Yajna we will perform in 2 levels. Listen to the process carefully. First level, Soham Upasana. So or Su means Bhagavanta, who is Gunapurna, full of attributes. Ham means Bhagavanta, who is Doshadura, totally defectless. Every time you breathe in, feel that Gunapurnatva or completeness of Super Soul within you. Every time you breathe out, feel his Dosha Duratva, defectless nature. Characteristics of Soham Upasana. Breathing pattern. Slow inhale, forceful quick exhale, something like Bhastika. Posture, preferably Vajrasana. If not comfortable, Sukhasana. Keep the back straight. Count. 24 counts of 3 rounds with 20 seconds gap after each round. Second level, Pranopasana. Posture, sit comfortably in Sukhasana with straight back. We will do this in 3 stages. Stage 1. 24 breaths, listening to 24 names of prana. Slow inhale, quick exhale. Stage 2. 51 breaths, listening to 51 names of prana. Equal inhale, equal exhale. Stage 3. 48 breaths, listening to single name of prana. Quick inhale, quick exhale. 3 stages together is 1 round. We will do 3 rounds without a break. After these, we will do relaxation for 5 minutes. If you are not clear so far, replay and listen to the instructions guide again. Let's get started. Please be seated in Vajrasana or Sukhasana like this, or on a chair if you can't sit on the floor. Keep your back and neck straight. Take a deep breath and release it slowly. Follow the audio breathing pattern. Listen and feel the prana with devotion. Gunapurna Doshadura. 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 Now, relax. Observe your breath in the same posture. It is okay if you have missed a few counts. 10 seconds left. Get ready for the next round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gunapurna Doshadura. 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 Be in the same posture. Sushumna Nadi is the invisible straight tube from anus to head, which you just cleaned up. Feel that Gunapurna Bhagavanta in your Sushumna. Relax. Get ready for final round. Gunapurna Doshadura. 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 Your Sushumna duct is full of divine energy flowing up and down. Feel that Sukhapurna prana. 5 seconds. Now you can sit in normal squatting position, Sukhasana. We will now start the Pranopasana. You can please recall one round has 3 stages: slow pace, medium and fast paced breathing, and we continue 3 rounds without a break. Being seated in Sukhasana, with a smile, take a deep breath and release it slowly. Follow the breathing pattern. It is okay if you miss the flow here and there. Ensure your eyes are closed throughout the process. Ears get very attentive when eyes are closed. Listen to the prana names and feel the devotion. Let's start in 3 seconds. Take a deep breath and release it slowly. 3, 2, and 1. Keshavaya Namaha, Narayanaya Namaha, Madhavaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, Vishnave Namaha, Madhusudanaya Namaha, Trivikramaya Namaha, Vamanaya Namaha, Sridharaya Namaha, Hrishikeshaya Namaha, Padmanabhaya Namaha, Damodaraya Namaha, Sankarshanaya Namaha, Vasudevaya Namaha, Pradyumnaya Namaha, Aniruddhaya Namaha, Purushottamaya Namaha, Adhokshajaya Namaha, Nrasimhaya Namaha, Achyutaya Namaha, Janardanaya Namaha, Upendraya Namaha, Haraye Namaha, Shri Krishnaya Namaha, Ajaya Namaha, Anandaya Namaha, Indraya Namaha, Ishaya Namaha, Ugraya Namaha, Urjaya Namaha, Rutambharaya Namaha, Rughaya Namaha, Lrushaya Namaha, Lrujaye Namaha, Ekatmane Namaha, Airaya Namaha, Ojobhrate Namaha, Aurasaya Namaha, Antaya Namaha, Ardhagarbhaya Namaha, Kapilaya Namaha, Kapataye Namaha, Garudasanaya Namaha, Gharmaya Namaha, Nyasaraya Namaha, Charvangaya Namaha, Chandogamyaya Namaha, Janardhanaya Namaha, Jhatataraye Namaha, Nimaya Namaha, Tankine Namaha, Thalakaya Namaha, Darakaya Namaha, Dharine Namaha, Natmane Namaha, Taraya Namaha, Thabaya Namaha, Dandine Namaha, Dhanmine Namaha, नम्याय नमः पराय नमः फलिने नमः बलिने नमः भगाय नमः मनवे नमः यज्ञाय नमः रामाय नमः लक्ष्मीपतये नमः वराय नमः शान्तसंविदे नमः षड्गुणात्मने नमः सारात्मने नमः हंसाय नमः लालुकाय नमः लक्ष्मीनृसिंहाय नमः विठ्ठल 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 केशवाय नमः नारायणाय नमः माधवाय नमः गोविन्दाय नमः विष्णवे नमः मधुसूदनाय नमः त्रिविक्रमाय नमः वामनाय नमः श्रीधराय नमः ऋषिकेशाय नमः पद्मनाभाय नमः दामोदराय नमः संकर्षणाय नमः वासुदेवाय नमः प्रद्युम्नाय नमः अनिरुद्धाय नमः पुरुषोत्तमाय नमः अधोक्षजाय नमः नृसिंहाय नमः अच्युताय नमः जनार्दनाय नमः उपेन्द्राय नमः हरये नमः श्रीकृष्णाय नमः अजाय नमः आनन्दाय नमः इन्द्राय नमः ईशाय नमः उग्राय नमः ऊर्जाय नमः ऋतंभराय नमः ऋघाय नमः लृषाय नमः लृजये नमः एकात्मने नमः ऐराय नमः ओजोभ्रते नमः औरसाय नमः अन्ताय नमः अर्धगर्भाय नमः कपिलाय नमः खपतये नमः गरुडासनाय नमः घर्माय नमः न्यसाराय नमः चार्वाङ्गाय नमः छन्दोगम्याय नमः जनार्दनाय नमः झाटतारये नमः निमाय नमः टङ्किने नमः ठळकाय नमः डरकाय नमः ढरिणे नमः नात्मने नमः ताराय नमः थवाय नमः दण्डिने नमः धन्विने नमः नम्याय नमः पराय नमः फलिने नमः बलिने नमः भगाय नमः मनवे नमः यज्ञाय नमः रामाय नमः लक्ष्मीपतये नमः वराय नमः शान्तसंविदे नमः षड्गुणात्मने नमः सारात्मने नमः हंसाय नमः लालुकाय नमः लक्ष्मीनृसिंहाय नमः विठ्ठल 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 Vitthala, 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 Vitthala. Keshavaya Namaha, Narayanaaya Namaha, Madhavaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, Vishnave Namaha, Madhusudanaya Namaha, Trivikramaya Namaha, Vamanaya Namaha, Sridharaya Namaha, Hrishikeshaya Namaha, Padmanabhaya Namaha, Damodaraya Namaha, Sankarshanaya Namaha, Vasudevaya Namaha, Pradyumnaya Namaha, Aniruddhaya Namaha, Purushottamaya Namaha, Adhokshajaya Namaha, Nrasimhaya Namaha, Achyutaya Namaha, Janardanaya Namaha, Upendraya Namaha, Haraye Namaha, Shri Krishnaya Namaha, Ajaya Namaha, Anandaya Namaha, Indraya Namaha, Ishaya Namaha, Ugraya Namaha, Urjaya Namaha, Rutambharaya Namaha, Rughaya Namaha, Drushaya Namaha, Drujaye Namaha, Ekatmane Namaha, Airaya Namaha, Ojobhrate Namaha, Aurasaya Namaha, Antaya Namaha, Ardhagarbhaya Namaha, Kapilaya Namaha, Kapataye Namaha, Garudasanaya Namaha, Dharmaya Namaha, Nyasaraya Namaha, Charvangaya Namaha, Chandogamyaya Namaha, Janardhanaya Namaha, Jhatataraye Namaha, Nimaya Namaha, Tankine Namaha, Thalakaya Namaha, Darakaya Namaha, Dharine Namaha, Natmane Namaha, Taraya Namaha, Thabaya Namaha, Dandine Namaha, Dhanmine Namaha, Namyaya Namaha, Paraya Namaha, Phaline Namaha, Baline Namaha, Bhagaya Namaha, Manave Namaha, Yajnaya Namaha, Ramaya Namaha, Lakshmi Pataye Namaha, Varaya Namaha, Shanta Samvide Namaha, Shadgunatmane Namaha, Saratmane Namaha, Hamsaya Namaha, Lalukaya Namaha, Lakshmi Nrasimhaya Namaha. Vitthala, 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 Vitthala. If you feel like stretching your legs or lying down, you can do so. Relax and observe your breathing. Allow it to settle down on its own. All the Bhagavad Rupas you heard or felt is now active inside your nadis, the invisible energy ducts. Feel them and stay in this relaxed position till the music ends. We thank you for making this connection with your super soul. For maximum benefit, continue once a day for 48 days without a break. Do not miss to watch the explanatory short videos related to Prana Yajna. Wake up with a smile and blessings from Super Soul. See you again soon. Till then, have a great life.